Hi, Kim.
Hey, where's our soundtrack, man?
Next song, please, iPod. So, have you ever seen a Vulcan drive a car before? Because here we go. Actually, this Vulcan's driving a pickup truck.
There's a much more logical choice of vehicle in this mountainous state.
Yep. Kirk drove a pickup truck. And here she is in her costume. Look, we have Ring. Woohoo! And she checks her blind spot. Here's me. Hello. I'm wearing Star Trek. Look at my pip. Pop.
Actually, I'm currently engaging in an ancient human tradition, looked unfavorably upon in the late 20th and 21st centuries as being quite unsanitary and unhealthy. And even though it could scar my Vulcan lungs, I find it quite pleasurable and quite reinforcing, actually. Driving an Earth vehicle, a 20th century Earth vehicle, is something altogether strange as well. I actually have to drive it.
With the wheel and everything.